2025 Range Rover Autobiography continues Land Rover's legacy of combining luxury, off-road capability, and cutting-edge technology. As a flagship trim, the Autobiography represents the pinnacle of refinement, making it a top choice for those seeking a powerful SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort or prestige. Exterior design. The 2025 Autobiography showcases a bold yet elegant design. With its clean, sculpted lines, flush door handles, and signature floating roof, the SUV exudes a minimalist sophistication. New for 2025 are updated LED lighting elements, refined grille detailing, and a fresh palette of premium paint finishes. Large alloy wheels and distinctive trim accents further emphasize its commanding road presence. Interior. Inside, the Autobiography offers an ultra-luxurious environment. Premium leather upholstery, real wood veneers, and customizable ambient lighting create a serene first-class atmosphere. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class seating with enhanced legroom, while the advanced infotainment system features a curved touchscreen, head-up display, and integrated voice control. Every touchpoint is designed for comfort and quietness, enhanced by active noise cancellation. Performance. The 2025 Autobiography is available with a range of powerful engines, including a smooth inline-6 mild hybrid and an optional V8 for ultimate performance. Adaptive air suspension, all-wheel steering, and terrain response 2 provide a remarkably smooth and capable ride, whether cruising highways or navigating rugged trails. The plug-in hybrid PHEV variant also offers improved electric-only range and reduced emissions. Safety features. Land Rover equips the Autobiography with a full suite of advanced safety technologies. Highlights include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. The 2025 model also adds enhancements to driver attention monitoring and highway assist systems, prioritizing both safety and peace of mind. Market position. Positioned as a luxury flagship SUV, the Range Rover Autobiography competes with elite rivals like the Mercedes-Benz GLS, BMW X7, and Bentley Bentayga. Its blend of regal design, advanced features, and unmatched off-road pedigree gives it a unique niche, appealing to buyers who demand both sophistication and substance. Conclusion. The 2025 Range Rover Autobiography reaffirms its status as a leader in luxury SUVs. Combining iconic design, premium craftsmanship, advanced technology, and versatile performance, it remains a symbol of prestige for discerning drivers around the world.